In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a simple Google search to placing a Google Maps element in your Wix site using the Wix dashboard and editor. I'll keep the process clear and straightforward so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. You're looking for the official Wix result, so you land in the right place quickly and safely. This is a reliable way to jump in without needing to remember a specific URL, and it helps you avoid lookalike pages. Once the results load, don't overthink it. Just proceed to the official listing. Next, click the result labeled Wix.com. Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. This is the authentic Wix link that takes you into their platform. Depending on your current status, you may see the home page, or you might be taken straight to your dashboard. Either way, you're now inside Wix's ecosystem, which is the starting point for working on your site's design and features. From here, look for the option that says Design Site. Clicking this opens your site in the Wix editor. Think of the editor as your creative workspace. This is where you visually build and adjust your pages. The Design Site action is essentially your gateway into hands-on editing. So once you're in, give the page a moment to load fully so all tools appear properly on the left side panel. Inside the Wix editor, locate the toolbar on the left and click Add, often displayed with a plus symbol. The Add panel is your library of building blocks, from text and images to galleries, buttons, and more. Opening it reveals a set of categories you can browse. This is where you find pre-built elements that save you time and keep your design consistent with Wix's best practices. Within the Add panel, look for Google Maps and click it. Doing this places an interactive map element onto your page. It will appear directly on your canvas, ready to be positioned and adjusted as part of your layout. The Google Maps element is perfect for showcasing a location, helping visitors get directions, and lending credibility to contact or storefront pages. Once it's on the page, you'll see options that let you tailor how it looks and behaves, aligning it with your brand and content goals. That's the complete flow. Search for Wix on Google, open the official Wix link, enter the editor via Design Site, click Add, and select Google Maps. You've successfully navigated from search to site element in a clean, efficient sequence.